travelling storyteller. I travel from place to place, collecting stories and telling them to people like you. The clothes and all the things I need are here in this bag and this suitcase. Hello, I'm Auntie Betty. I'm very busy today. I'm getting the housework done early because our little nephew David is coming to see us this morning. David's not very old. He's a grand little lad. He doesn't talk very much. David can only say no. Last Wednesday morning when he came, we had a bit of an adventure. The night before it was Tuesday night and the wind had been blowing all night long. I then said to David, "David, do you want to help me clean out the pigsty?" And David said no. So I said, "Good, go and fetch your bucket." And I went in to make a start. I'd not been in above a few minutes when there was a sudden gust of wind and it slammed this door to shut. So then I shouted, David, you stay there. Your Auntie Betty will be back soon." And David said no. So then I said, "David, are you still there?" But there were no answer. And then I got worried. I didn't know where he was or what he was doing. So I started banging on the door, shouting, "Help! Help! Let me out, somebody! Help!" Last Wednesday, I was teaching the little ones to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just then, the door opened and little David came in. I said to him, "David, is anyone with you?" And David said, "No." I'm the village policeman, and I had a phone call from the school teacher to say that Bill had a burglar in his pigsty. When I arrived, the school teacher was there with little David and all the school children standing outside the pigsty. So I ran up to the doors to undo the catches. They were a bit stiff, but I managed it. And before I opened the doors, I shouted, "Stand back, everybody! Stand back!" Children dear, I bid you good day. Goodbye, children. Goodbye.